Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Alright, dude and dudettes, say what up, it's your boy Dude Mungus. We're about to get out of here. I don't even know if you guys can tell, but the bat has this ash to it, so it's been inside in the climate control. I roll it outside, it is so steamy, it literally has like condensation on it, and it's condensation everywhere. You probably see it in my windscreen. Bro can even see the dash, so the bat is definitely on this diva today, but it is the Dude Mungus meet. It is the first day. Let's get this cold start going, then let's go meet up with everybody because technically we're late. Let's go, bro. Bro, I'm so freaking excited. I'm so freaking nervous. I always get nervous before me, bro. And it's not like I'm scared about anything. It's just I want everybody to have a good time, man. People that came in from out of town, I just want people to have a good time. Last year was absolutely amazing. So, bro, I'm excited to see people I haven't seen in like a year. Not only was my man Tim that came for his birthday, but the entire Lapel crew, bro. Their story just literally touched me, and bro, I'm just super excited to see everybody and link up with everybody. Now tonight we're linking up with Street Society ATL. I've never been to one of the events, but I hear it's super dope. I'm trying to do something different. I don't want to do the same thing every year, so I was like, let's switch it up and do something different. We haven't seen this car or bike scene yet that's out this way, so I was like, hey, let's see what it does, man. And I know this weather, man. I mean, bro, I say it all the time. You can play the pretty picnic, but you can't predict the weather. I know this weather is deterring a few people, but it is what it is. That's the one thing you can't predict, bro. You can plan all these events, but you cannot predict what the weather's gonna do. But I'm telling you, if we ever get a hold to another beautiful weekend, bro, it's gonna be stupid, bro. Stupid. But I appreciate everyone in advance that went ahead and braved the weather and came down. I know it didn't look like it. It was raining like an hour ago, and now the sun is coming back out. Just got a call. Everybody's already at the spot, so we better go see what it do, man. Oh, let's go. I'm freaking excited. Make sure that's locked. Woo! The bat is feeling good, bro. I haven't rode the bat on street setup in so daggone long. And man, that joint is feeling good. I bet this Camaro going over there too. Dang, bro. Oh, the Street Society. Heck yeah, I'm going to their meetup. What's up, bro? I'm heading over to the meetup. I'm heading over to the meetup. Street Society? Yeah. It's a nice car, bro. Yes, sir. I'm glad this weather cleared up. Yeah. I got a bike meet in town this weekend, so we decided to come over here, hang out. So what? Yeah, I was up there, yeah. Alright, let's see what they talking about, bro. See what they talking about. Sorry I'm late, guys. Oh, dang, yo! Yo, that's dope. Oh, heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's some kind of daggone turnout, bro. Sheesh. Oh, let's roll through, roll by roll, see what we got. Woo. What's up, my boy? You doing alright? Good to see you, man. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Excuse. Follow through. Feel like, oh, D-Berry. What's up, my boy? What's up? You doing alright? Good. Twan.
What's up, baby?
What's up, my boy? You doing alright? Oh yeah, good.
My guy.
Let go. Eee. super dope turnout. There go my squad right here. What's up, man? Still there, bro? Yes, sir. Good to see you. What's up, my boy? You do that? Good to see you, man. Ben, what's up, bro? I didn't even know this went on, man. I was like something close to us finally.
Yeah.
B, what's up, bro? You do that? Score. What's up, my boy? You do that?
Yeah, man.
My boy. What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Good, man. Good to see you again, bro. Glad you in town. This what we got to deal with.
Hey.
And you got the laptop hooked up already? The weekend just started. Dang, bro. Man. I like those, bro. I like those.
It looks good, don't it?
Yeah. I like that seat too. That.
Everything sits low.
Yeah. Say how you liking it, man? Just the other one, right?
It's the other one.
Yeah.
The difference.
Yeah, the Marchesinis.
Super light.
Yeah.
With the carbon, all it, I mean, it's
Yeah.
super light.
Gotcha, yeah. That's what's up. You gotta line up with this thing again. Yes, sir. Hey, what's going on, bro? How you doing, man?
Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on, Mungus, bro?
Danny,
Nice to meet you, sir. Wifey, how you doing? I'm Mungus. Nice to meet you.
Hey, I want to say
Yes, sir.
thank you, 'cause
Yo.
you inspired me 2 years ago.
Yo.
Down here to Taylor Made.
Yeah.
To get my bike done. B did all my stuff.
Yo, let's go.
They did all kinds of stuff to my bike.
Yeah.
I was so impressed with it. My two boys, they ride too. They were like,
Oh, that's what's
go
up.
down there, and they brought them. They come down there.
Yo, appreciate that, bro. That's what's
It
up.
was like,
They do good work, man.
they do it. Superb work.
Dude, I haven't had any issues, bro, and I'm just like, that's what I need. I appreciate y'all coming out, man, and coming
I
down.
wanted to come down here and meet you.
Yeah.
And all that good stuff. So I was like, man, I need to do this. So everybody's like, oh yeah, I know him. I work at Cycle Gear like on Fridays.
Okay, gotcha, yeah.
So I was hooked up with.
Appreciate you, man, bringing people down.
Come on, bro.
Add it to the family, my boy.
Come on, man.
Appreciate it. Let me go say hey and get this helmet off. It's getting hot.
I know you want to go. Can I get a picture with
Absolutely.
you?
Nah, let's do it.
Thank you.
Absolutely, and tag me in the post whenever you put it up. Absolutely, thank you so much. Bree.
Oh shit.
What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, I was just making the lap around, and I see my people, so I'm in the back. I'm about to pull up in the front somewhere.
Where'd you park?
I'm over here behind this green bike. Get some shine, baby. Good to see you, bro. What's going on, fam? You doing all right, bro? Hey, bro, appreciate you, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you so much, bro. Hey, man, I appreciate it, man. I'm just trying to bring some positivity out here, bro. Just like good vibes, man.
You think we out here cutting up, doing fucked up shit? Like
Yeah.
This shit, this for the youth, bro.
Yeah, man.
Just to bring people up and make them know they ain't gotta be out here doing
You really ain't, bro. You go out here, have a good time, and be good. Appreciate you, man. How you doing? Did I say what's up? I don't think I did. What's going on, man? I'm Mungus. Golf? Wolf. Gotcha. Yes, sir. It's just, I ain't been on the bike in like 2 weeks. Like, since the racetrack, I have not been on the bike. So I'm just like, yo.
I've ridden like 2 weeks.
Heck yeah. Yeah, dude, I was in there, bro. Getting it. What's going on, man? How you doing, bro? Mungus. Yes, sir. What's up, man? How you doing, bro? We can get off of here. Get this off. What's going on, bro? How you doing, man? These the fast boys. They about to go do a pull. This is what I got to contend with, bro. I'm stock wheelbase. I got to contend with these guys, but we gonna make it do what it do. Gang.
That's Corey's and that's
Yo, dang. Oh man, this is gonna be difficult.
Told you pictures don't do it justice.
This is gonna be difficult. Oh, bro, come on now. Yes. Oh yeah, this is gonna be. Yo, this is gonna be dope. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun, man. We go. I don't know. I might have been talking too much crap. I don't know. This is, oh man. Beanie ready?
Hell yeah.
Stop wheelbase gang. Can we do something?
I think that's top what they shoot out.
I don't know these mixers. I don't know. Hey, we gonna do it. We gonna jump in the ring anyway. One of my favorite R1s in the world right here. Love this daggone thing, bro. Love the story behind it. A huge inspiration. Yo, this is sick. Look at that turbo. It's like the size of my head. Yo. Sleeping on these V's, bro. Don't sleep on the V's. And he got the line. Bro. Dope. Look at these rear wheels too. Bro. Sleeping on the V's, bro. We got another black one over here. I ain't know it was over here. It's over here.
They not much moving it out. It's too hard. They just searching it and thinking it's good. And it ain't.
Yo, super dope. Let's go walk around and see what we can find. So what? Hey, what's going on? How you doing, man? Mungus. Nice to meet you, sir.
Came up from Florida.
The BMW gang? Yeah. I see the shirt. I already know the Beamers. Straight horsepower, baby. It's fun, bro. It's fun. You look almost about the same size, bro.
Yeah.
Bro. This line up, this about to be good.
What bike? I picked up my bike and I picked up your bike, and yours is a little bit lighter.
Yeah, man. I think you can't pick up my bike. I be seeing them doing lightweight challenges. I'm like, my bike don't do that. Dude, that is dope. Dude and Dudettes, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. We about to get out of here. We done came. This was our first time to the event, and we done shut the event down. This parking lot was full. It's barely full now. It's going down, but yo. So dope, such a good time, man. This is freaking dope. Man, this is freaking awesome, bro. I can't wait. You already, hey, you see, hey, look, ATL's finest right there. You got my tuner V, you got the bat, and then you got Sloth Performance, bro. Hey, you already know we gonna get to it and make it do what it do, bro. This is so dope. Man, appreciate the city coming out. Appreciate everyone coming in from out of town. Pearl, the whole crew. Daggum, man, bro. Just, this is freaking awesome, man. People from Kentucky, people from Florida. Man, but yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. It's gonna be dope. First night is always the meet and greet, man. I like getting people comfortable. I like everybody to meet. I like you to get comfortable with who you're gonna be riding beside and who you or might be doing runs with, because you might meet somebody be like, yo, you're a cool dude, but you might be a little too wild on the bike, and you know, well, maybe I'm not so cool beside you. And I just want everyone to know and to be aware and to be comfortable when that moment comes. So that's why we always do a meet and greet. But this is super dope. And I always forget I'm a content creator, because I get in these moments and I vibe out, bro. It's just, the vibes are so good. I mean, the love, the support, it's just dope, bro. It's just honestly dope. So, man, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. You know who it is. It's your boy, Dude Mungus.
No market.
Dude and Dudettes, oh my goodness, it's so freaking dope having my people in town. We about to get out of here, letting the bike warm up. Somebody want to hear the pops and bangs, so I gotta go give them a little show. Oh man, Dude and Dudettes, what a dope event, what a dope turnout. This is so dope. People spend money in coming town because Dude Mungus said he was having a meet, having a bike blessing. We're gonna pray, we're gonna have a good time, we're gonna ride these bikes, we're gonna eat. Yo, this is so freaking dope, bro. This is so dope, man. Shout out to everybody, man. But anyway, dudes, I'm gonna hold y'all too long. Hey, we'll see y'all tomorrow in the AM, bro. This is about to be dope. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Thank God. This is awesome, bro. Shout out to my co-worker D-Berry also for letting me know about this meet. Shout out to Street Society. Bro, this was absolutely amazing, bro. Talk to him, man, bro. Talk to him, bro. Oh, yeah. It's time, bro. I haven't ran the band in forever. I haven't done it. Y'all know how much I test. I haven't done any test pulls. I haven't done anything. Yeah, so it's not making excuses, but we just gotta see how this goes, bro. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. You know who it is. It's your boy, Dude Mungus.
Belum sekolah. Namake. 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 Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake.